ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्धाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्धप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अथ द्वितीयोऽध्यायः प्रथमः पादः।
अथ द्वितीयोऽध्यायः प्रथमः पादः।
समर्थः पदविधिः
समर्थपदविधिः
शुभामन्त्रिते पराङ्गवत्स्वरे
शुभामन्त्रिते पराङ्गवत्स्वरे
प्राक्कडारात् समासः
प्राक्कडारात् समासः
सह सुपा
सुपा
अव्ययी भावः
अव्ययी भावः
अव्ययं विभक्ति समीप समृद्धि वृद्ध्यर्थाभावात्तया सम्प्रति शब्द प्रादुर्भाव पश्चादतानुपूर्व्य योगपद्य सादृश्य संपत्ति साकल्यान्त वचनेषु
अव्ययं विभक्ति समीप संप्रतिव्यर्थता भावात्यया संप्रति शब्द प्रादुर्भाव पश्चात् पूर्व्य योग पद्य सादृश्य संपत्ति साकल्यान्त वचनेषु
यथा सादृश्ये यावदवधारणे सुप्रतिनामात्रार्थे अक्षशलाका संख्याः परिणाम विभाषा अपपरिभगिरञ्च वः पंचम्याम् आंग मर्यादाभिविद्योः लक्षणेनाभिप्रति आभिमुख्ये अनुर्यत् समया यस्य चायामः
यस्य चायामः
तिष्ठद्गुप्रवृत्तीनि च
तिष्ठतु प्रभृतीनि च
पारे मध्ये षष्ट्या वा
पारे मध्ये षष्ट्या वा
संख्यावंशेन
संख्यावंशेन
नदीभिश्च
नदीभिश्च
अन्यपदार्थे च संज्ञायाम्
अन्यपदार्थे च
संज्ञायाम्
तत्पुरुषः
तत्पुरुषः
द्विगुश्च
द्विगुश्च
द्वितीयाश्च्युतातीतपतितगतात्यस्तप्राप्तापन्नैः
द्वितीयाश्रुतातीतपतितगतात्यस्तप्राप्तापन्नैः
स्वयं तेन
स्वयं तेन
कट्वाक्षेपे
खड्वाक्षेपे
सामी
स्वामी
कालाः
कालाः
अत्यन्तसंयोगे च
अत्यन्तसंयोगे च
तृतीया तत्कृतार्थेन गुणवचनेन
तृतीया तत्कृतार्थेन गुणवचनेन
पूर्वसदृशसमोनार्थकलहनिपुणमिश्रश्लक्ष्णैः
पूर्वसदृशसमोनार्थकलगनिपुणमिश्रश्लक्ष्णैः
कर्तृकरणे कृता बहुलम्
कर्तृकरणे कृता बहुलम्
प्रत्यैरधिकार्थवचने
कृत्यैरधिकार्थवचने
अन्येन व्यञ्जनम्
अन्येन व्यञ्जनम्
भक्ष्येन मिश्रीकरणम्
भक्ष्येन मिश्रीकरणम्
चतुर्थी तदर्थार्थबलिहितसुखरक्षितैः
चतुर्थी तदार्थार्थपरिहितसुखरक्षितैः
पञ्चमी भयेन
पञ्चमी भयेन
अपेतापोडमुक्तपतितापत्रस्तैरल्पशः
अपेतापोडमुक्तपतितापत्रस्तैरल्पशः
स्तोकान्तिकदूरार्तकृच्छ्रादिक्तेन
तोकान्तिकदूरार्तकृच्छ्रानितेन
सप्तमी शौण्डैः
सप्तमी शौण्डैः
सिद्धशुष्कपक्वबन्धैश्च
सिद्धशुष्कपक्वबन्धैश्च
द्वाङ्क्षेण क्षेपे
द्वाङ्क्षेण क्षेपे
कृत्यैर्णे
कृत्यैर्णे
संज्ञायाम्
संज्ञायाम्
तेनाहोरात्रावयवाः
तेनाहोरात्रावयवाः
तत्र
तत्र
क्षेपे
क्षेपे
पात्रे समितादयश्च
पात्रे समितादयश्च
पूर्वकालैक सर्वजरत्पुराणनवकेवला समानाधिकरणेन
पूर्वकालिक सर्वजरत्पुराण नवकेवलाः समानाधिकरणेन
दिक्सङ्ख्ये संज्ञायाम्
दिक्सङ्ख्ये संज्ञायाम्
तद्धितार्थोत्तरपदसमाहारे च
तदितार्थोत्तरपदसमाहारे च
द्वन्द्वतत्पुरुषयोः उत्तरपदे नित्यसमासवचनम्
द्वन्द्वतत्पुरुषयोः उत्तरपदे नित्यसमासवचनम्
वचनम्
संख्यापूर्वोद्विगुः
संख्यापूर्वो द्विगुः
कुत्सितानि कुत्सनैः
कुत्सितानि कुत्सनैः
पापानके कुत्सितैः
पापानके कुत्सितैः
उपमानानि सामान्यवचनैः
उपमानानि सामान्यवचनैः
उपमितं व्याघ्रादिभिः सामान्या प्रयोगे
उपमितं व्याघ्रादिभिः सामान्या प्रयोगे
विशेषणं विशेष्येन बहुलम्
विशेषणं विशेषेण बहुलम्
पूर्वापर प्रथमचरम जगन्य समान मध्यम वीराश्च
पूर्वापर प्रथम चरम जगन्य समान मध्यम
श्रेण्यादय कृतादिभिः
श्रीमद्याद्यकृतादिभिः
तेननं विशिष्टेनानं
तेन विशिष्टेनानं
शाकपार्थिवादीनां सिद्धये उत्तरपदलोपस्य उपसंख्यानम्
शाकपार्थवादीनां सिद्धये उत्तरपदलोपस्योपसंख्यानम्
सन्मखत् परमोत्तमोत्कृष्टाः पूज्यमानैः
तन्महत् परमोत्तमोत्कृष्टा पूज्यमानैः
वृन्दारकनागकुञ्जरैः पूज्यमानम्
वृन्दारकनागकुञ्जरैः पूज्यमानम्
कतर्कतमो जातिपरिप्रश्ने
कतरकतमो जातिपरिप्रश्ने
किं क्षेपे
किं क्षेपे
कोटा युवतिस्तोक कतिपयदृष्टिधेनुवशावेगमश्कयनी प्रवक्तश्रोत्रियाध्यापक दूर्तैर्जातिः
कोटा युवती स्तोक कतिपय दृष्टिदेवशा वेद अष्टयनी प्रवृत्त श्रोत्रियाध्यापक दूर्तैर्जातिः
प्रशंसावचनैश्च
प्रशंसा वचनश्च
युवा खलति फलितवलिनजरतीभिः
युवा कलति फलितवलिनजरतीभिः
कृत्यतुल्याख्या अजात्या
कृत्यतुल्याख्या अचार्या
वर्णो वर्णेन
वर्णो वर्णेन
कुमारश्रमणादिभिः
कुमारश्रमणादिभिः
चतुष्पादो गर्भिण्या
चतुष्पादो गर्भिण्या
मयूरविंशकादयश्च
मयूरव्यंसकादयश्च
इति पाणिनीयसूत्रपाठे द्वितीयाध्यायस्य प्रथमः पादः
इति पाणिनीयसूत्रपाठे द्वितीयाध्यायस्य प्रथमः पादः
पूर्वापरादरोत्तरवेकदेशिनैकाधिकरणे
पूर्वापरादरोद्धर एकददेशिनैकाधिकरणे
अर्धं नपुंसकम्
अर्धं नपुंसकम्
द्वितीय तृतीय चतुर्थतुर्यान्यन्यतरस्याम्
द्वितीय तृतीय चतुर्थतुर्यानन्यतरस्याम्
प्राप्तापन्ने च द्वितीयया
प्राप्तापन्ने च द्वितीयया
कालाः परिमानिना
कालापरिमाणिना
ईषदकृता
ईषदकृता
षष्ठी
षष्ठी
याजकादिभिश्च
याजकादिभिश्च
न निर्धारणे
न निर्धारणे
पूरणगुणसुहितार्थ सदव्ययतव्यसमानाधिकरणेन
पूर्णगुणसुखितार्थ सदव्ययतव्य समानाधिकरणेन
तेन च पूजायाम्
तेन च पूजायाम्
अधिकरणवाचिना च
अधिकरणवाचिना च
कर्मणि च
कर्मणि च
त्रयकाभ्यां कर्तरि
त्रिजगाभ्यां कर्तरि
नित्यं क्रीडाजीविकयोः
कर्तरि च
कर्तरि च
कर्तरि च
नित्यं क्रीडाजीविकयोः
नित्यं क्रीडा जीविकयोः
सुगतिप्रादयः
सुगतिप्रादयः
प्रादयः गताद्यर्थे प्रथमया
प्रादयः गताद्यर्थे प्रथमया
अत्यादयः क्रान्ताद्यर्थे द्वितीयया
अत्यादयः क्रान्त्यादर्थे द्वितीयया
अवादयः पृष्टाद्यर्थे तृतीयया
अवादयः पृष्टाद्यर्थे तृतीयया
पर्यादयः ग्लानाद्यर्थे चतुर्थ्या
पर्यादयः ग्लानाद्यर्थे चतुर्थ्या
निरादयः क्रान्ताद्यर्थे पञ्चम्या
निरादयः क्रान्ताद्यर्थे पञ्चम्या
उपपदमतिम्
उपपदमतिम्
अमैवाव्ययेन
अमैवाव्ययेन
तृतीया प्रभृतिं यन्यतरस्याम्
तृतीयां
त्वाच
त्वाच
शेषो बहुव्रीहिः
शेषो बहुव्रीहिः
संख्यया व्ययासन्नादोरादिकसंख्या संख्येये
संख्यया व्यया
व्यया सन्नादूरादिकसंख्याः संख्येये
नाम अन्यन्तराले
दिङ्नामानन्यन्तराले
तत्र तेनेदमिति स्वरूपे
तत्र तेनेदमिति स्वरूपे
तेन सहेति तुल्ययोगे
तेन सहेति तुल्ययोगे
चार्थे द्वन्द्वः
चार्थे द्वन्द्वः
उपसर्जनं पूर्वम्
उपसर्जनं पूर्वम्
राजदन्तादिषु परम्
राजदन्तादिषु परम्
द्वन्द्वेद्धि
द्वन्द्वे
अजाद्यतन्तम्
अजाद्यदन्तम्
अल्पाच्तरम्
अल्पाक्षरम्
सप्तमी विशेषणे बहुव्रीहौ
सप्तमी विशेषणे बहुव्रीहौ
अमैदिष्टा
निष्ठा
वाहिताज्ञादिषु
वाहिताज्ञादिषु
कडाराक्षर्मधारये
कडारा कर्मधारये
इति पाणिनीयसूत्रपाठे द्वितीयाध्यायस्य द्वितीयः पादः
इति पाणिनीयसूत्रपाठे तृतीयाध्यायस्य द्वितीयः पादः
चण्डिशोत्र प्राग्रीश्वरान् निपाताः
प्राग्रीश्वराः
चादयो असत्वे
शादयो असत्वे
प्रादयः
प्रादयः
उपसर्गाः क्रियायोगे
उपसर्गाः क्रियायोगे
गतिश्च
गतिश्च
ऊर्यादिच्वीडाचश्च अनुकरणं च अनिति परम्
अनुकरणं च अनिति परम्
आदरानादरयोः सदसति
आदरानादरयोगो सदसति
भूषणे अलम्
भूषणे अलम्
अंतरपरिग्रहे
अंतरपरिग्रहे
कने मनसि श्रद्धा प्रतिघाते
कने मनसि श्रद्धा प्रतिघाते
पुरोव्ययम्
पुरोव्ययम्
हस्तं च
हस्तं च
अच्छगत्यर्थवदेषु
अच्छगत्यर्थवदेषु
अदोनुपदेशे
अदोनुपदेशे
तिरोन्तर्धौ
तिरोन्तर्धौ
विभाषाग्नि
विभाषा
उपाजेन्वाजे
उपाजेन्वाजे
साक्षात् प्रवृत्तीनि च
साक्षात्
साक्षात्
प्रवृत्ति
प्रवृत्तीनि च
अनत्याधानौरसि मनसि
अनत्याधानव्रसि मनसि
मनसि
मध्ये पदे निवचने च
मध्ये पदे निवचने च
नित्यं हस्ते पानावुपयमने
नित्यं हस्ते पानावुपयमने
राद्धुं बन्धने
राध्वं बन्धने
जीविकोपनिषदावौपम्ये
जीविकोपनिषदावपम्ये
ते प्राग्धातोः
ते प्राग्धातोः
The word gati, gatischa, up to 79th sutra, gatischa, the adhikara sutra, and it is sanya. 61 to 79. Upasargaha kriya yogi pradeho kriya yogi upasargaha, then gatischa. Kriya yogi upasargaha, so asamasa vishaya, tingante. But the dhatu is a tinganta rupam, isn't it? The dhatu is in tinganta form, tinganta rupam, then upasargaha. If it is kridanta rupam, then samasa is possible. Gati sanya. And the gati sanyaka shabda, krit prakritika sambhantena, atava kridantena. Then say, kridantena saka samasyate samasa kadavati. All these sutras, all these sutras, gati samasa can be formed. So we have seen the last class up to the sutra sakshat pravriti nicha sakshat the gana. So we have seen the words like sakshat kritya, sakshat krita, and more examples we saw, the sakshat namaskritya, pradushkritya, etc. The sakshat pravriti gana, we have seen that we had divided the shabda, the words in these sakshat pravriti nigana, makaranta shabda, and saptamyanta pratirupaka shabda, and sakaranta shabda. And examples we saw, pradushkritya, vishkritya, namaskritya, sakshat kritya, ityad. Kritya, kritva, whatever it is. Now the next sutra, 1475, which you have to see. Anatyadhana. Urasi manasi. Urasi manasi. This Dvivachana. Manaha manasi. Manamsi. Anatyadhane. Sandhi. Anatyadhane. अनत्याधाने यकारस्य लोपः लोपशाकल्यस्य अनत्याधाने उरसि मनसि 1475. So let us see from there. 1475 अनत्याधाने. अनत्याधाने सप्तमी. For अनत्याधाने, in the sense of अनत्याधान, अनति आधान, अनत्याधाने उरसि मनसि उपश्लेष भिन्ने अर्थे. उरसि तथा मनसि, उरसि तथा मनसि उपश्लेष भिन्ने अर्थे. Upashlesh binne means it is not in the sense of placing, keeping it. Upashlesha. Contact. Upashlesha binne arthe. Here adhanam. Adhanam means it is the adhanam means it is placing dhadatu, dharana, poshna yoho. Upashlesha means contact. Upashlesha. In Saptami Vibhakti also we use this. Say Upashlesha. One of the type of the forms of the Saptami Vibhakti. Like Adhikaranaha, Adharaha, Kunde Badramiti, then Upashlesha, one more thing is there. When there is contact, Upashlesha, then also Saptami Vibhakti. You'll see it in the Karaka section. Anyway, Upashlesha means Chayoga ityarthaha. So Upashlesha binne arthe. In other than that meaning. So Urasi and Manasi. Urasi is chest, Manasi is mind. So the Urasi and Manasi will enjoy the Gati Sanya when, of course, we need to bring the words Kru as another Vivasha Krihi. Krihi means Kru Dhatu. Krihi Saptami. So Pare means in Sanyoga, in contact with Kru Dhatu. Because Gati is Kriya Yoge. Kriya Yoge means that is Dhatu, not Tinganta, Kradanta Rupam of the Dhatu. And the Dhatu very specifically Kru Dhatu only. Very specifically Kru Dhatu. We have been seeing from the Sutra Vibhasha Kringi onwards, it is only the words and the sutras below. The words which are mentioned as Gati, they get Gati Sanya Krihi. Kriya Yogi and the Dhatu is Kru Dhatu. The Dhatu is Kru Dhatu. So Krihi goes as Anurti up to 79. So before that it is not restricted to Kru Dhatu. It is Kru Bu As Dhatu. It is Kru Bu As Dhatu. Other Dhatus, if possible, it will come. Otherwise, generally Kru Bu As only. Without saying Kru Bu As. Shvi. Shvi is Abhuta Tadbhave. Kru Bu. That is Sampadikatri. Kru Bu As. Sanyog. That is in when the word is in the followed by the Dhatu. Kru Bu As. Abhuta Tadbhave. That we saw Abhuta Tadbhave. Kru Bu Asti Yoge Sampadikatri Chvi Pratyaha Bhavati. So it is understood. Ki pratyaya is added to the word when it is in yoga with Kru Bu As Dhatu. So all the sutras, therefore we take this Kru Bu As. There may be other dhatus, but mostly this dhatus only. Other dhatus, if the examples are there, then accordingly we interpret it. But we don't see any other examples. All the examples if you have seen, we will see, we'll summarize later. And here from Vibhasha Krihi onwards, it is Kru Dhatu only. So therefore, Anatyadhane, Urasi Manasi, Uras Shabda and Manas Shabda, Kru Yoge. Yoge in association with the form of the Kru Dhatu will get the Gati Sanya. Gati Gati Sanya, that is what the Sutram says here. So now let us see. Anatyadane. Anatyadane is Vishya Saptami, in the sense of Vishya Saptami. Saptami here is in the sense of Vishya Saptami. Anatyadane. And Vibhasha Krini iti Anuvartate. Atyadhanam is Upashleshanam, Sanyoga contact. Tat Abhave. Ati Adhanam Atyadhanam. Na Atyadhanam, Anatyadhanam. Therefore, Anatyadhane. Ati Adhanam is Upashleshanam, contact, placing. Adhanam, placing. That is Upashleshanam. Nanj Rupam of that will be Anupashleshanam or Anatyadhanam. Anatyadhane in the sense of Anatyadhanam, in the sense of placing, in the sense of not contact, tad abhave. Anatyadhane. Urasi manasi shabdau. Urasi manasi. Urasi cha manasi cha urasi manasi. The Dvandva samasa. Shabdau vibhasha kringi kati singya bhavataha. And therefore, Tukati pradeha, by that can form samasa. Tukati prade with Krit prakritika sabantena samasyate. और कृदंत शब्देन सह सम्मतिति समासः भवति उरसीकृत्य समासः उरसीकृत्वा इति असमासः उरसीकृत्वा becomes उरसीकृत्य if you do samasa. It's only manasi कृत्य मनसि कृत्वा. Urasi in the breast, in the chest, manasi in the mind. They are optionally, these words are called optionally gati when the verb kru dhatu and associated with, optionally called kru dhatu in association with kru dhatu. In association, in contact with the dhatu kru dhatu, provided they are not used in terms of adhana, anatyadhane, not in sense of placing. Upashlesha binne arte urasi manasi yeto shabdo kru dhatoho yoge. And vibhasha, of course, vibhasha is that. That is why we have urasi krutva, urasi krutya, optionally. Sorry, this is not optional here. This is urasi krutya's compound. Urasi krutva samase. So here it says gati sanya is optional. Vibhasha is gati sanya is given an optionality. So urasi krutya, urasi krutva. Urasi krutva is vyastapaka, not samasa. Urasi krutya is a compound. Gati samasa. Urasi tata manasi iti vibhakti pratirupakau nipatau. Uras, the pratipadikam is uras, similarly manas pratipadikam. Manas is a pratipadikam. Manaha manasi. Manaha manasi, manamsi. Uraha urasi, ura. So it will be, the compound is urasi manasi. It's vibhakti pratirupakau. That is why I said dandva urasi cha manasi cha. But urasi is vibhakti pratirupaka, nipata. Vibhakti pratirupaka nipata means it is the word, ready-made word, which is the vibhakti. It is the saptami vibhakti. So vibhakti pratirupakau nipato, these words. How does it get nipata sanya? Because that is the very first sutra. All these are nipata. Nagarishvara nipataha. The word urasi itself is mentioned in the sutra. It is nipat. It is nipata, nipatau, paradi nipatam aviyam. So vibhakti pratirupaka nipat. Okay. So vibhakti pratirupakau nipato. It's not, sorry, it is not ready-made word. So we should not confuse with it. Nipata is a sanya. Nipata here doesn't mean it is ready-made. There's a difference between these two words. Nipatanam and nipata. Nipata is what we are talking about. Sorry, I think that's not ready-made here. We will discuss later the difference between nipata, nipatanam, nipatyate we say. That is different, and nipata is different. Nipata is the technical name. Swaradi nipatam is aviyam, not ready-made. Okay, so there's a difference between these two. When a word is ready-made, that is, sutras are not provided for the derivation of the words, then we say this shabda is nipatyate, nipatanam we say. That is different. Nipatanam, here it is a technical word. The sanya it is. It means avyaya. Swaradi nipatam, avyayam. All the nipatas, they get a sanya nipata, and swaradi nipatam is avyayam. So here, vibhakti pratirupako nipato, and they are indeclinable. Then yada upashleshaha. Upashleshaha sanyogha contact. So here anatyadhane, therefore anupashleshaha. Other than that means the artham vihaya, not in this meaning. Anyeshu artheshu prayujyate. Tada etayoho krudatoho yoge vikalpena gati sanya bhavati. Enjoys gati sanya optionally. Gati sanya pakshe compound can be formed. So tu gati pradayaha. The sutrena shabdayoho etayoho shabdayoho. These two words. Tridantegi saha upapada समासः संभवति. यथा उरसि कृत्य गच्छति. Meaning is स्वीकृत्य गच्छति इति आशयः. एवमेव मनसि कृत्य means निश्चयं कृत्वा इत्यर्थः. गतिसंज्ञा अभाव पक्षे, when it doesn't enjoy गतिसंज्ञा, then if it's not a samasa, then levadesha will not come. Then we have urasi krutva, manasi krutva. Iti prayogo chadyataha. So here it is, doesn't enjoy gati sanya, therefore samasa is not formed. And manasi kritya, the vikaraka vakya vandu urasi krutva. Urasi there it doesn't, here we urasi krutva, and urasi doesn't enjoy gati sanya. If it is gati sanya, then samasa can be formed. It doesn't enjoy gati sanya, samasa possibility not there. So gati sanya abhava pakshe urasi krutva manasi krutva iti siddhyataha. Yada etau shabdau, these two words, संयोगः अस्मिन् अर्थे प्रयुज्यते तदा अस्य सूत्रस्य प्रयोगः न भवति. तथा पाणिम् उरसि कृत्वा शेते हस्तं उरप्रदेशे संस्थाप्य निद्राति. So here there is a sense of contact, therefore here you do not enjoy gatism. अत्र हस्तस्य उरप्रदेशे सः उपश्लेषः संयोगः अस्ति. अतः प्रकृतसूत्रस्य प्रयोगः न भवति. अनत्यादाने एव गतिसंज्ञा भवति. Therefore here it will not enjoy gatisanya. Therefore samasa also cannot be formed. Okay. Manas iti tu drishyamanaha avayavaha. Manas iti tu drishyamanaha avayavaha. Ataha tasya sandarbena upashleshaha na sambhavati. Uras is a part, it's an avayava. Therefore sanyoga, that upashlesha is possible, whereas manas is antakarnam. So that upashleshaha tasya sandarbena upashleshaha naiva sambhavati. Iti karnat manas शब्दस्य उदाहरणं नास्ति. प्रत्युदाहरणानि न विद्यन्ते. There is no example for that. अनत्यादमिति शब्दः न इत्यादानमिति अनत्यादमिति न समासेन सिद्ध्यति. कोशेषु अत्याधानम् इत्यस्य अर्थः उपरि स्थापनम् इति दीयते. उपरि स्थापनं, placing it above. एतम् अर्थं विहाय, accepting in this meaning, कस्मिंश्चित् अन्यस्मिन् अर्थे उरसि मनसि इति शब्दो यत्र प्रयुज्यते तत्र प्रकृतसूत्रेण गतिसंज्ञा भवति. गतिसमासः अपि भवितुं शक्यते. सो प्रकृतसूत्रस्य प्रयोगः भवति इति ज्ञापयितुम् अत्र अनत्यादाने इति शब्दः स्थापितः अस्ति। उरसि मनसि इति शब्दौ, these two words विभक्ति रूपकौ निपातौ। उरस् शब्दस्य सप्तमी एकवचनस्य यः अर्थः तस्मिन् अर्थे उरसि इति निपात संज्ञकशब्दः अत्र निर्दिष्टः अस्ति। So Saptami Vibhakti is inbuilt in this word, Urasi. The word itself, Mansamali Manas also, Saptami Ekavachana, Vibhakti Pratirupaka Nipataha. Tasmin Arte, Eva, Tasmin Eva Arte Manasi iti. Saptami Ekavachana Seha Artaha, Sahartaha, Asti Tasmin. So therefore, Urasi Manasi iti. Etayoho Dvayoho, Nipatayoho, Prakata Sudrina, Gati Sinya Vidiyate. I think I don't know whether I'm told for about the Nipata and Nipatanam. See, maybe a small note here, be useful later so that we don't get confused with this Nipata and Nipatanam. This because the Vibhakti Pratirupako Nipato, the word comes in, but all are Nipata only. Either this can be noted here or this, I will add this thing in the beginning. Because Pragrishvara, Nipataha, all these are Nipataha. So I will write the difference between Nipata and Nipatanam. Pragrishvara, Nipataha. Probably I would have written, I'm not sure. Okay, here I will write a note. Note is, that is, what is the Nipata and what is Nipatana? Nipata versus Nipatana. The difference between the two. So this will be useful. So Nipata is, what is Nipata? Nipata is our avyayam. So Nipata is a particle which has no gender, just no gender and no number also, just no gender, no number. And what happened to the affixes pratyas and the pratyas, that is case endings, and the pratyas added to it or dropped. Added to it or dropped. Avyayat apsutaha look by that sutra, pratyaya drop. So it's a technical word, it's a technical term. Technical term which is defined by this Adhikara Sutra. It is defined by this Adhikara Sutra. Pragrishvara Nipataha. And you can see Nipata, the word is used in so many places. Faradi Nipata Mabiyam, Pragrishvara Nipataha, Nipata Ekashanang, and Yavat Para Nipata Yor Letter, Nipata Sticha. Many places the word Nipata is used. And when you come to Nipata Sanya, there is no Eka Sanya. Adhikara will not apply. So Pragnishvara Nipataha by this Sutra 1456. By this Sutra, the Nipata is the technical term is defined. And this Nipata should not be confused with the word Nipatanam. We say Nipatyate, this word is Nipatyate, ready-made, which is used to indicate the form of a given word without a complete derivation of it. without a complete derivation based on sutras, sutrani. It means they are made ready, they are made ready-made. They are ready-made. They are things. They are ready-made words. Ready-made words available for immediate usage. That is Nipatana. Okay, this is the difference between Nipata and Nipatanam. So, ready-made words, Nipatanam, are not Abhiya. That depends, whatever the word is that, Nipatanam, that words, that word, whether if it is a noun, it's subject to declension. If it is a, yeah, because if it is a noun, it's subject to declension, but this, I'll show you another one. Generally, it will be a noun. Okay. Generally, be a noun. Like we have seen the sutra. It's an example for ready-made. So generally, it will be a ready-made. There will be Subanta words. They are noun-based. Generally, it will be a Pradipadikam, and that can be declined. I don't see any dhatus, any made like that. There are some dhatus which are derived, that like Riterian, but that doesn't come under Nipata. Anyway, here you can see the Rit which are ready-made. Iti ete pratyanta shabdaha. But we need to understand this word is as the pin pratyaya. Pin pratyanta shabdaha ete. They are ready-made words. Nipatyante cannot be derived by the application of the sutra, but we given a derivation. It's an assumed derivation, not given by Panini Maharishi. Ritvish, like Ritu plus each. So we give our derivation. It is not the sutra-based derivation. So Ritvij as such, not derivable by the application of sutra, Tamadadrish, etc. This is a Pratipadikam, Ritvij, Dadrish, etc., which is subject to declension. Ritvij, we can decline. Jakaranta Shabda, Ritvij. In fact, the Shabda Manjari comes immediately after Vanich. Another one, but of course, this is not just to show you. Riteriyan. So this dhatu is not, you don't see the dhatu pata. Ritihi dhatu. It's a sutra dhatu. Sutra dhatu means it's dhatu in the sutra one, sutra pata, not in the dhatu pata. So riti, that dhatu will take iyang pratyaya. So ritiyate. Anyway, this is not nipatanam. This is sutra dhatu we have to take. So nipatanams, generally there would be a pratipadika that is subject to declension. So that is Nipatana. So this is reference between Nipata and Nipatanam. So Nipatanams are those which are readily available for usage. So generally there will be Pratipadikam. Therefore we can decline it by adding the subpratyas. And Nipata is the particle. They are Abhiyam. Because they enjoy Abhiya Singha, therefore Abhiyat Apsitaha look, therefore becomes look. This is the difference between Nipataha and Nipatana. Okay. Now here in our sutra, Urasi Manasi Nipatako Sanyako means the Swaradi Nipata Abhiyam, they get a Sanya Nipata and therefore they are Abhiya. Okay. Not ready-made. Because I said the word ready-made mistake, that's why I clarified what is Nipatanam and what is Nipata. Okay. So that distinction is important to be noted. So nipata, the word we use here, it means it's a particle, it's avyayam. Okay, therefore here vibhakti pratirupako nipatau. Nipatau gati sinyakau bhavataha vismurasi manasi anatyadhane krit yoge. In the sense of anupashlesha, anatyadhane, these two words in association with kru dhatohu yoge vikalpena gati sinya bhavati. Next sutra. Madhye pade nivachane cha. All these are not important, just covering for the sake of completion. So all the gati sinya words are covered. 1476. Madhye pade nivachane cha. Vibhasha kringi kavinga sanuvrati. So the words madhye and pade and nivachane. Ni vachana, no words, no, therefore speechless. Pada means pada, therefore in the foot, madhye in the middle. So vibhasha kringi iti anuvartate. Chakarat anatyadane iti cha. From the previous sutra, anatyadana coming as anuvarti, anatyadane coming as anuvarti. So madhye pade nivachane te iti ete shabdaha. These are also vibhakti pratirupaka nipataha. Pratirupaka shabdaha, they enjoy nipata sanya. Iti ete shabdaha anatyadhane. These words, in the anatyadhane, not in the sense of atyadhane, vibhasha, optionally enjoy gati sanya. The words madhye in the middle, meaning in the middle, pade in the foot, and nivachade, speechless, are optionally called gati in association with, when kru follows. It means in association with kru dhatu, the sense not being of placing. Anatyadhane, vibhasha, tringi kamika sanuvritti. Vikalpena gati sanya bhavati. So upashlesha binne arte, other than that meaning, madhye pade, these words also in association kru dhatu gets gati sanya optionally. Yata madhye kritye. Madhye, if it enjoys gati sanya, then madhye kritye. Otherwise, madhye kritva. Pade kritva. Nivachane kritye, nivachane kritva. So these are also pratirupakau, vibhakti pratirupakau, nipataha. The same thing. Upashleshaha, that is sanyoga iti, arthamigha, anya arte. Yujyate chet, vikalpena, gati sanya bhavati, kru yoge. Gati sanya pakshe tu gati prate sutrena samasah bhavati. Madhye kritya gacchati. Madhye kritya gacchati means madhye sanstapya gacchati. Keeping something in the middle. Similarly, pade kritya, padasya samipe. Padasya samipe stapayitva gacchati. Ityartha. Nivachane. Vanim niyamya gacchati. Kimapi na ukta gacchati ityartha. So, nivachane kritya gati samasa. Gati sanya abhava pakshe. There is no levadesha, and therefore it would be madhye kritva, madhye kritya, nivachane kritva iti. In fact, this is the vigraha vakya for the words, for the compounds. Yada shiraha pade kritva namati. Shiraha pade kritva namati. Shiraha, the head, pade kritva, placing on the feet of someone. Swashiraha anyasya pade sanstapya pranamati. Namaskaram karoti. Iti arte, iti atra, here there is the contact, sanyoga. Shirasaha padena saha upashleshaha asti. Therefore, Prakೃತ Sutra gati sanya na bhavati. Therefore, Prakೃತ Sutra se prayoga na bhavati because anatyadhane arte eva upashlesha artha migaya eva. Therefore, gati sanya na bhavati. Therefore, gati samasa cannot be formed. Madhye bhage, in the middle. Pade padasya samipe. Nivachane achana abhavaha. Nivachanam, absence of speech. Tushnim bhavati. किमपि न उक्त्वा तूष्णीं गच्छति निवचनवचन अभावः एतेषु अर्थेषु निपातसंज्ञकाः शब्दाः. Then the next one 1477 नित्यं हस्ते पानौ उपयमने. नित्यं हस्ते, हस्ते is not a beer. What it is, some हस्ते पानौ, it's also 7-1. उपयमने 1477. So नित्यं हस्ते पानौ उपयमने. Upayamanam. Upayamanam means it is udvaha, it is vivaha, marriage. I think marriage, yeah, marriage. The word asta in the meaning in the hand, apano in the hand. So aste, pano, they get sanya gati in when used in association with Tirudhatu in the sense of upayamane. Upayamane means udvaha vivaha. Vivagasya sandarbhe. On the occasion of the marriage, aste pano iti shabdo in the sense of aste pano iti shabdo kru dhatoho yoge nityam, all the year nityam. So mandatorily it will get gati sanya. Aste pano iti shabdo yada upayamanam. Upayamanam is vivagaha. Vivahartam svikaraha. Accepting on the occasion of the marriage. Iti asmin arte prayujyate. Then kru dhatoho yoge always enjoy gati sanya. Nityam gati sanya bhavati. Gati sanyayam praptayam, therefore we know gati gati pradeha sutrena samasaha pradantai saha samasaha bhavati. Ita pano krutya. Pano krutya means pano anatyadane. Here it is anatya, there is no anuvritya of anatyadana. Pano krutya compound. It's a nitya gati sanya bhavati. Therefore compound will be pano gati samasa. Nitya gati samasa, therefore gati pradeha sutrena pano krutya or aste krutya. Pano krutya gacchati. Vivaham krutva athva vivahartam kanyam svikritya gacchati ityartha. Nitya gati sanya bhavati. Yatra vivahartha nasti. There we cannot use this sutra. It not enjoy gati sanya. Therefore gati samasa cannot be formed. Ita karsharpanam, not karsharpanam it should be. Karsharpanam means it's a currency. Karsharpanam must be. Aste krutva. Karsharpanam aste samstapya agachat. Placing the coin, the hand. So here it is, you cannot make a compound. Aste krutva cannot make aste krutya because it doesn't enjoy, it doesn't have the meaning of vivaha here. Vivagasya sandara nasti ataha aste shabdasya gati sanya na bhavati. Therefore aste krutva only be used. No gati sanya, therefore no compounding. So aste krutya gachati. If compounding is there, gati samasa, then we have not, it is in the sense of marriage alone. Cannot be any other meaning. If aste krutva, if it is there, then samasa, if it is not done, then it is not in the sense of marriage. Okay. If samasa is done, then it has to be only in the sense of vivaha. Aste krutva. Prakrita sutre pariktayoho aste pano vishya vayyakarneshu do pakshostaha. Aste pano iti eto shabdo saptami pratirupako nipato. Tatacha nipatena sadhu svikriyate. Nipatanena. Okay. Tatacha nipatanam ityukte aste iti shabdaha aste iti saptami ekavachanaste एव एकारान्तः निपातितः स्वीक्रियते। एवमेव पाणौ इति शब्दः पाणिशब्दस्य सप्तमी एकवचनस्य अर्थे पाणौ इति निपातितः मन्यते। अस्मिन् पक्षे अस्ते कृत्वा च पाणौ कृत्वा इति कति समासं तद अनुषंगेन स्वाप्रत्ययस्य च लेबादेशं कृत्वा अस्ते कृत्य पाणौ कृत्वा इति. There are two pakshas are there in Vyakarna. So in one paksha they take the saptami rupako nipata swaradi nipatam abhiya tatacha nipatana is ready made. So this is one paksha. Aste panu iti shabdo saptami pratirupako nipato. Either we can take it as a particle swaradi nipatam abhiyam. Therefore saptami pratirupaka nipata and it is abhiyam, or nipatanena sadhu svikriyate. It is nipata ready made. इत्युक्ते अस्ते इति शब्दः अस्तशब्दस्य सप्तमी एकवचनस्य अर्थे एव एकारान्तः निपातितः. निपातितः मीन्स हियर इट इज रेडी मेड. सप्तमी अर्थे निपातितः स्वीक्रियते. एवमेव पाणौ इति सप्तमी अर्थे औकारान्तः निपातितः भवति. अस्मिन् पक्षे कृत्वा तथा पाणौ कृत्वा इत्यत्र कति समासं तदनुषंगेन स्वाप्रत्ययस्य लवादेशं कृत्वा अस्ते कृत्य. So in this paksha, so panu aste krutva pane krutva we can form compound iti one paksha says. Okay. The second thing is aste pano eto shabdo saptamyanto eva svikriyate. The other paksha. Asmin pakshe, in this paksha, saptamyanto, and it is nipata, not nipatita, nipatanam. अस्मिन् पक्षे अस्ते कृत्वा तथा पाणौ कृत्वा इति अत्र कति समासे कृते अस्ते तथा पाणौ एतयोः विहितस्य ङी प्रत्ययस्य सुपधातु प्रातिपदिकयोः किं भवति लुक् भवति. then तत्पुरुषी कृति बहुलं by that सूत्र ङी प्रत्ययस्य अलुक् अपि भवति. therefore येन अस्ते कृत्य पाणौ कृत्य इति शब्दो सिद्ध्यतः इति पक्षद्वयम् अस्ति. either we can take it as a nipatanam or we can take it as a nipata. So nipata, if you take it is avya, it is avya by sutra supodhatu pratipadikyoho luk bhavati, but there is a sutra 6.3.14 by which tatpurusha samasa krit yogi. Kriti means krit yogi. When it is association with the kridanta, bagulam, therefore ni pratyasya aluk bhavati. Aluk samasa 6.3.14. Uttarapade, we have seen aluk uttarapade. So therefore purva padasya luk na bhavati kriti krit yogi. So therefore, by that, second paksha is, we take it as a nipata, then krit yogi by 6.3.14 aluk bhavati, therefore aste panu iti. Or otherwise we can take it as nipatana, ready made word, nipatitaha iti manyate. So any paksha you take, finally you get the same thing. First paksha, you can take it as a nipatana, and because it is here in this section, therefore they are avyaya. So aste panu iti, you take it as a ready-made word and it is nipata, it is avyaya, and therefore gati samasa can be formed. It is enjoys gati sanya, and therefore gati samasa can be formed. The second case, if you take it as asta shabda and pana shabda, the saptami vibhakti, and enjoy this is aste and pana viti shabdaha, nipata sangikatvat aviyatvat. Therefore luk bhavati pratyasya luk bhavati, but that will not become luk by 6.3.14. So bhaguratvat, so aluk bhavati. Therefore aste panu it will be that enjoys gati sanya, and therefore gati samasa. So anyway can it be interpreted. Now here it's nice we have can get confused because of the usage of these two words. Nipata on good occasion, you know the difference. Nipata is the words which are given in this Pragrishvara Nipataha. They are Nipata. Nipata singha is a particle and they are Abhiya. Nipatanam is not Abhiya. Nipatanam, the word is made without without any with the help of sutra. It is given as such. So if you take it as Nipatanam also, it is because it comes under this section, therefore Nipata Abhiya. So that way it can also be taken. It is one Paksha says. So another Paksha takes it as a Nipata, that is Abhiyam, and Supadartha Pratipadika. If it is Abhiyam, then Asta Shabdasya Saptami Vibhakti Rupaka, then Pratyaya should go. But they say no, it will not go. Tatpurusha Kriti Bhagalam by the Sutra Aluk Bhavati. Therefore, Aste Pana Viti, Saptami Vibhakti will be there, and that is Nipata, therefore Abhiyam, and enjoys Gati Singya, Samasa can be found. It is Pakshadvayam Asti. So anyway, we can take it, so we get the same thing, same meaning only. Then Upayamanam iti Shabdasya Arthaha. What is Upayamanam? Prakata Sutre, Priktasya Upayaram Shabdasya Arthaha Vivagaha. Vivahatam Svikaraha iti. Kashika Karavati Dhara Karma. Dhara Karma is accepting the Dhara. Dhara Karma iti anena Bharya Karanam iti Arthaha Tadvyakshitaha asti. Therefore Upayamanam, not Upanayanam. Kashika Karaha Vadati Upanayanam Dharka. Upanayanam, check Kashika. Upayamanam. Upayamanam, not Upanayanam. Upanayanam is Upakarma, it becomes Upayamanam. Upayamanam Dharakarma. Yeah, Upayamanam Dharakarma. Sutre Nityam iti Shabdasya Pragadam. Prakata Sutre Nityam iti Shabdaha Vibhasha iti Shabdasya Nivrityatam Stapitaha Asti. So Vibhasha Krihi from that Sutra, Vibhasha coming as anavritti by mentioning the Nityam, the Vibhasha is stopped. No Vibhasha. Vibhasha Krihi iti Asma Sutrat Purva Sutram Yavat Dve api pade anuvritti rupena svikriyate parantu Prakrita Sutrat Arabhya Vibhasha iti padam tyaktva kevalam Krihi ityeva anuvartaniyam iti suchayitam Nityam iti stapitaha Shabda stapitaha asti. The word Nityam restricts, stops the anuvritti of Vibhasha. Therefore, the compound must be formed. So there is no Vibhasha here. That is why Nityam, the word is there in the Sutra. And the word Nityam, I think it, only for this Sutra. Only for this Sutra. Vibhasha coming as anuvritti, it goes up to Vibhasha Krihi. Vibhasha Krihi, anyway, here it up to 76 only. Yes, the book, the author has helped us by giving that it goes up to 76 because Nityam is there, therefore it is not brought down as anuvritti here. The word Nityam is there, which stops the anuvritti of Vibhasha. Okay. And of course, Krihi goes as anuvritti up to 79. So the numbers on the right hand side helps us. The publisher yes helped us by mentioning the number. So he has helped us up to where the Sutra goes. And we can know why how the number. Panini Maharshi had not written any number like that. Publisher had written number. So how does he write? Because Nityam, the word is there. Therefore, Vibhasha cannot be brought on as anuvritti here. So it stops before. That's why he has given the number. So it stops before that. So for this Sutra 77, there is no anuvritti of Vibhasha. So that's what it says here. Then the next Sutra, Pradhvam Bandhane. Pradhvam Bandhane. So Krihi iti anuvartate, there is no Vibhasha. Pradhvam iti akarantam abhiyam. Anukulya vartate, in the sense of anukulya. Tadanukulyam bandhanam hetukam yada bhavati tada Pradhvam shabdaha Krihi nityam. Gati Singha Bhavati. Vibhasha doesn't come, therefore Nityam always. Nityam Gati Singha Bhavati. Pradhvam is Abhiya. Nipatam Abhiyam. In association with the Kruda, Gati Singha Gati, always Nityam, the sense of Anukulye. favorably, suitably, pradvam, makaranta avyaya shabda. However, when it means bound, it is gati, pradvam kritya, having bound. But when it is not used in sense of bind, then it cannot form samasa. Pradvam kritva shakatam gataha, having made a carriage, agreeable is gone. Okay. Bandhanam krutva anukulam iti asmin arte. Pradvam bandhane. Bandhanam krutva means bandhanam krutva anukulam. Iti asmin arte pradvam shabdasya krudhatoh yoge nityam kati sanya bhavati. So prad anukulam favorable. Ityartaha idam avyayam yada bandhanam krutva binding. Anukulam to make something favorably forcefully. Favorable forcefully. Iti asmin arte prayujate then Dhatoh yogi gati sanya bhavati. Gati sanyayam praptayam gati samasah bhavati. Tha vrishabam pradvam kritya. Binding the vrishaba to the shakata. Bandhanena vrishabam anukulayati. Tataha gacchati iti. Yatra bandhanam iti atraha artha nasti. Yeah, we cannot use. Therefore pradvam bandhane. Shakatam pradvam kritva gataha. So here it is no bandhana. Shakatam abhimukam kritva. अत्र फलस्य प्रयोगः नैव कृतः अस्ति therefore प्राद्वं शब्दस्य कति संज्ञा न भवति whereas वृषभं प्राद्वं कृत्य binding the वृषभा प्राद्वं कृत्य गच्छति इति so प्राद्वम् इति मकारान्त शब्दः अव्ययम् तथा च अनुकूलम् इति अस्मिन् अर्थे प्रयोगः क्रियते प्राद्व दूरस्थः मार्गः इति आशयः प्राद्व अस्य अकारान्त पुल्लिंग शब्दस्य द्वितीय एकवचनमपि प्रादम् इति एव अस्ति परन्तु अस्य क्रमः न क्रियते the word pradva दूरस्थः मार्गः is meaning of दूरस्थ मार्ग also but that is not the meaning here because pradva is akaranta shabda declinable द्वितीय ekavachanam that is not the meaning here pradvam is nipata it is abhiyam in the sense of bandhana anukulyam bandhane anukulyam iti arte prayogah kriyate. Okay, the next last one. Jivika Upanishadau Aupamye. Aupamye, the word is derived from Upamana. Sadita form is Aupamye. Upama. Upama becomes Aupamye, not Upamana, Upama. Comparison. Resemblance, likeness. Jivika Upanishad iti eto shabdo. These two words. Tehi yoge vibhasha. Sorry, not vibhasha. Tehi yoge gati sangyo bhavataha. When it is used in sense of upamya, in the sense of likeness and resemblance. Jivika tata Upanishad. Eto shabdo upamayaga sandarbena prayujyate chet upamye krudhatoh yoge gati sanya bhavati yata jivika kritya Upanishad kritya. So upamayaga sandarbhe prayujyate chet gati sanya bhavati therefore gati samasah bhavati like gati pradayah. Example Jivika kritya Jivikam iva krutva gacchati iti atra vigraha. Jivikam iva krutva ityukte yatha jivika is jivanam profession activities done for livelihood atyavashyaki tathaiva kinchana karyam atyavashyakam matva tat karoti. Treat some work as if it is important as livelihood. So jivika kritya gacchati, that is I mean jivikam iva as though it is the life. Upanishad kritva kritya gacchati means Upanishad iva kritva gacchati. Upanishad iva kritva ityukte meaning is yatha Upanishadam adhyanam ekante gopane bhavati tatha tadeva karyam kritva. Upanishadam adhyanam is ekante bhavati. To be done alone, to be done in a place, secret place, Upanishad, adhyanam of the Upanishad, tataiva karyam kritva. Like that, it does the work secretly, separately, in isolation. Yatra upamana diyate. So here the upama is Upanishad and Jivika. As though it is one's life. So that is Jivika. So Jivikam Kritva. Upanishad Kritva means that's a job as the person studies Upanishad. Upanishad is Adhyanam is done Ekante. Vivikta Desha Seviktam Bharate Janasamsadi. In Bhagavan Gita says, Vivikta Desha Seviktam Bharate Janas, when there is no people, no crowd, there one should do Jhanam, Nididhyasanam. So Ekante Upanishad Adhyanam. So he does a job secretly. Suppose that is the Upama. That is the comparison. Yatra Upama diyate, tatra asya sutrasya prayogaha na bhavati. So Jivikam Krutva Gachati means Jivanam Yapayitam Yat Karyam Svikritam Tat Krutva Gachati Ityartha. Jivanam Yapanam, for leading the life, Yat Karyam Svikritam Tat Krutva Gachati. So he takes up the work as though it's life. Atra, here it is not Jivanam Uppaya Yapayitam, it is counterexample. This is Vitreka Udahanam. Jivanam Yapayati Yat Karyam Svikritam Tat Krutva Gachati. Here there is no comparison. Here it is takes up the job, some profession, so Tat Krutva Gachati. Here Upama Nasti, therefore Gati Singana Bhavati. Yatra Upama Bhavati, the Upama is Jivika and Upanishad. Then it enjoys Gati Singha, Gati Samasa. Here there is no Upama. Jivikam Krutva Gachati is Jivanam Yapayitum to lead the life to for the livelihood. Jivanam Yapayitum, Yat Karyam Svikritam, what profession, what job he has taken up. That he does. Tat Krutva Gachati. So here he takes up some job for its livelihood. So there is no Upama here. Whereas Jivikam Iva Krutva, when we say, Iva is Upama, as though it is his the life without which he can't survive, something like that. Atyavashakam it is. As though his heart, as though is that without which he cannot survive. So Jivikam Iva Matva Krutva Gachati. There Upama is therefore Jivika Krutya. When Upama is not there, when Jivika is not used as an Upama, then Gati Samasa cannot be. Then compounding cannot be done by this Sugati Pradaya. Yes, Jivika Krutya means Jivikam Iva Krutva Matva Gachati. So only Upanishad Krutya is Upanishad Iva. So Iva is the Vigraha Vakya, Iva will be there. So with this the entire Gati is over. So difficult to remember all these. Maybe I'll just quickly summarize. The first is Gati Samasa. Maybe I will do the summary later. I'll just put it in the form of a table and then send you later. It's difficult to remember all these sutras, but if you remember the example, then it is reasonably easy. So I will do like this. I will write the sutram and the sutra, the examples, and the Vigravakya, and if there are any remarks. So the table format, I'll put it and send you later. Next class, maybe we can revise this. So we will move on now. So here the sutram and the example, Vigrahavakya, and any other things in there. So all the sutras can be put in the form of a table. Now we will move on to the next sutra, back to the Samasa section. So Samasa, Ku Gati Pradeha, first Ku Samasa we saw, then Gati Samasa, it's done. Now Pradi, Pradayaha. Pradayaha, Pradaya means pra, etc. The words in the Pradigana, they also can form Samasa. So that's what we are going to see. So in the Pradeha Kriya Yoge, Gati Bhavati and Gati Samasa we have seen. Pradeha Kriya Yoge, the words in the pra, etc. And also the other words which enjoy Gati Sanya. Kriya Yoge, it means in association with the Kridanta Rupam of the Dhatu. Kridanta Rupam of the Dhatu. When we say Kridanta Rupam of the Dhatu, therefore we can call it as Upapada Samasa also. We can call it as Upapada Samasa. That is why the website it says Upapada Samasa. Upapada Samasa or Gati Samasa. So the word Gati, which includes the words in the Pradi, as well as the other words, what we saw, all these, the words, Buddhyadi, Chvida, Chescha, from that sutra onwards up to 1417, Jivika, Upanishad, Upamye. All the Gatis, words, Kriya Yoge means Kridanta Shabdena Saha, Samasyate, Upapada Samasah Bhavati, Atava Gati Samasah Api Bhavati. Gati Samasah iti api anya sanya asti. So either we can call Upapada Samasa or Gati Samasa. So Ku and Gati are over now. So to make the distinction between Pradeha and Gati, so we can take Gati Sanyaka Shabdas, Gati meaning Pradeha and other words which are listed in the 1-4 section. They combine with Kridanta and therefore form compound. Therefore Gati Samasa. Here also we have, as I said, two pakshas. Either we can take the Kridanta Shabda, we can form a Subanta Rupam of the Krit Prakritika Shabda and combine. Anyway, you will get the same thing. But to make the distinction between Gati and Pradi, so we will take like this. Gati Sanyaka Shabda, Kridantegi Samasyate, Gati Sanyaka Shabdaha, Subantam Padam, Gati Sanyaka Subantam Padam, Kridantena Saga Samasyate, Upapada Samasaha, Gati Samasascha Bhavati. Then Pradeha, if you take, why I'm saying this, Pradeha, all the words in the Pradigana are Pradeha, Asatve, Nipataha, Avyayam, Para, etc. They are Avyayam. So these Avyayam, no, there is no Kriya Yoga. Okay. If it is Kriya Yoga, then Gati Samasa. But there is no Kriya Yoga. Therefore, Samartena, Svantena Saga Samasyate, Samasaha Bhavati. That is Praditat Purusha. Okay, I will write so that we understand what is Gati Samasa, what Praditat Purusha. So we make the distinction like this. Gati Samasaha can be taken as Gati Sanyaka Shabdaha, Gati Sanyaka Subanta, Gati Sanyaka Shabdaha. Shabda means here what it means Subanta, Subantam Padam. All these are Subantam Padam because they are Nipataha, Abhiyam, therefore Subantam. Gati Sanyaka Shabdaha means they are Abhiyam Padam. All these are Abhiyam Padam. They are Nipata, therefore Abhiyam Padam. It is Subantam. Or Gati Sanyaka Subantam Padam I have to write. Anyway, we can write. Okay, I will make like this. Gati Sanyaka Shabdaha Atava Gati. For our understanding, I'm writing Gati Sanyaka Subantam Padam. Gati Sanyaka Shabdaha or Gati Sanyaka Subantam Padam. Kridantena. Kridantena, when we say not Subantena, if you can take it as Subantena also, you can form a Subanta Rupam of the Krida, I mean, Kridanta, Krit Prakritika Shabda, and then combine. Or with Kridantena Saha, Krit Prakritika, Subantena Saha, or just Kridantena Saha. Anyway, you can do it. If you say Kridantena Saha, Samasyate, Samasaha Bhavati, Upapada Samasa Bhavati. If you say Kridantena Saha, then it is Upapada Samasa. Upapada Samasa Bhavati. If you form a Pratipadikam, Subantam Padam, out of this Prakritika, the Kridanta Shabda, Gati Sanyaka Subantam Padam. I'm just writing the same. Anyway, we can write it. That is Subantam Padam. Krit Prakritika Subantena Saha. Suppose if I say Krit Prakritika Subantena Saha Samasyate. Kati Samasaha Bhavati. Anyway, we can explain it. Both are same only. Either you can form a Subanta out of a Kridanta and Gati Sangnika Subantam Padam can combine with that and form Gati Samasa. Or Gati Sangnika Shabda can combine with Kridantena, Kridanta Shabda and form Upapada Samasa. Therefore, both are same. Anyway, we interpret both are same only. This is Gati Samasa. Now here, Gati is Pradeyaha Kriya Yoga. Therefore, it must be, can combine only with Kridanta. Kridanta Subantam or Kridanta Shabda. Now, Pradeyaha is the Pradeyaha referring to all the words of the Pradigana. So, they are all Abhiya. Abhiyam Subantam Padam. So, therefore, it has to combine with a Subantam Padam only. So, therefore, Pradeyaha, so it has to combine with the Subantam Padam, like this, Pradeyaha, Subantena, Samartena, Subantena. Samartena, Subantena, Saha. Saha Samasyate. Samasaha Bhavati. What Samasa? Because it is Pradi, therefore we can say Pradi, our name, Pradi Tatpurusha, Samasaha Bhavati. Here it is Gati Tatpurusha Samasa. Okay, the same. Gati Tatpurusha is Pradi Tatpurusha. So difference between Pradi Tatpurusha and Gati is Pradeyaha, it has to be with Samartena Subantena. And Gati is, it has to be with Kridantena Saha or Krit Prakritika Subantena Saha. If you take this, then it may seem overlapping with this, you may have wrong understanding. You may get into confusion. That is why Kridantena Saha iti says. So that makes a very clean distinction between these two. But both are correct only. Kridantena Saha Samasyate. But here it is Subantena Saha Samasyate. So Pradeyaha can combine with Subanta words. But here it is not Kriya Yoga. Therefore, it is not Krit Prakritika. Okay. Then you can take like that. Okay. In fact, there could be all the words, are derived from the Dhatu only by adding some Krit Pratyaya or Unadi Pratyayas. So I think this will make the clean distinction between Gati Sanya and Pradi. So that is why I think the website has given Upapada Samasa or Gati Samasa, whatever name, it's same. So Subantam Padam Kridantena Saha Samasyate. In fact, that is the next sutra Upapadam, I think. So, therefore, Gati Sanya Subantam Padam Kridantena Subantena Saha Samasyate. There it is very clear that it is in Kri Yoga, Dhatu Yoga. So the Dhatu Yoga, it means that it is not a Subanta Padam, it is a Pratipadi, Kridanta Shabda, Pratipadika. Kridantena Saha Samasyate. If it is a Kridanta, then Pura Padam has to be Upapada. Therefore, Upapada Samasaha. And here it is Gati, therefore Gati Samasaha. But here it has to be with a Subanta, a completely defined word. Example, I'll give example, you understand. So I have written both, but you can take this meaning. This is also fine. But if you take this, then you may have confusion with this. So better take this so that there is not any confusion. So Gati Sanyaka Subantam Padam Kridantena Saha Samasyate Upapada Samasa Bhavati. Therefore, Kriya Yoga is very clear there. But here there is no Kriya Yoga. There is no Kriya Yoga. because it combines just a completely defined word, Subantam Padam. So therefore, Praditat Purusha Bhavati. Example, let's see. This is Pradeyaha. So now Pradeyaha is the topic. Pradeyaha. In the website, he has given like this. In the other commentary by me and all, he says Subantena Saha. So both are okay, but this would be better because so that we have clean distinction between the Pradi and Gati. So Gati Sangika words combined with Kridanta Shabda. Whereas Pradaya Shabda, they are all Subanta Vyam combined with Subantena Saha. And if you know this, later Upapadam Ating, we are going to see Upapada Samasa. Upapada Samasa, general name, generic name. So Gati Samasa also comes under that category only. We can call as Upapada Samasa. And the word Upapadam, Uttarapadam, Purapadam is Gati, therefore it's called Gati Samasa. Okay. Now Pradeyaha, I'll give you an example so that you understand this. Let us take the word. Shobana Purushaha. Shobana Purushaha. We're going to form the compound. Shobana. Purushaha. Purushaha iti Subantam Padam. Shobanaha Purushaha. Shobanaha. So Shobanaha iti Subantam Padam. Purushaha iti Subantena Saga Samasyate. What Samasa? Shobane Arte. This is Shobane Arte. We have the Nipata Su, which is in the Pradi. Su. Su means Sushtu, Su means Shobana. So Su iti Subantam Padam. It is Navya, it's a Nipata, Swaradi Nipatam Navyam, Avyam Padam, Subantam Padam. Purusha iti Purusha Subantam Padam, Subantena Saha. Purusha, the word also derived from the Dhatu only. Therefore, we can say this is also Kridanta Shabda, but here it is Subanta. That is why the distinction is. If we take this meaning, Uttarapada is not a Pradipati, it's a Kridanta only. So if we take Kridanta, then this is not a Kridanta, this is a Subanta. No? The word derived from the Kridanta Shabda. So it's a Subanta. So Subantena Saka. So there's a difference. Subantena Saka Samasyate, Pradeyaha, whereas Gati Sangika Shabdaha, Kridantena Saka Samasyate. So here you can see the clean distinction. That is why I have written that. This also I have written. This is also is okay, provided you don't confuse with this. Okay, that's why I have in bracket I wrote. Now, Su Shabda stands for Shobana. Shobane Arte Su Nipataha. Bhavati. Su combined with Purusha. Purusha Subanta Padam. Now this is a compound. Supodhatu Pratipadikyo. Look, Bhavati. Katati Samasasya Pratipadikam. And this is an Aviyam Subantam Padam combined with Purusha. Purushaha Subantena Chaka Samasyate. Then enjoys Pratipadika Signya. Katati Samasasya Pratipadikam. Then Supodhatu Pratipadikyo. Look. Supratyasya Vapaha Bhavati. This Supratyaya will go away. And this is Aviyam Padam. Anyway, that Pratyaya becomes look, Avyat Apsapaha, look. Even if you add Su, the Su will go away. That's why I'm not adding Su. Then Su Purushaha. Therefore, you form Shobanaha. Shobanaha Purushaha is Su Purushaha. That is the compound, Su Purushaha. The Vigraha Vakya of that would be Shobana Purushaha. Aswapada Vigraha. That's why Nitya Samasa it is. Shobanaha Purushaha becomes Supurushaha. Sushtu Purushaha also we can say, also only. So, by Kugati Pradek, Su iti Nipataha, Su iti Nipatam Avyam Padam, Purushaha iti Samartena Subantena Saga, Samasyate Samartena, Samartaha Padavidihi. So, Samartha, there should be Samartha, there should be the capability to combine. So here it is, it combines samartena subantena saha samasyate by what sutra? Kugati pradayaha. By Kugati pradayaha, 2 to 18 can combine and it forms the samasa. The Kritadita samasa 1 to 46, I think, you can check later. And Supodhatu Pratipadikyo, look 2471. Look, all these things we know. That's why I'm not writing all these things. 1 to 46, Sanya Pratipadika Sanya, then Supodhatu Pratipadikyo, look. And it is Nitya Samasa because you can see Ashwapada Vigraha, therefore Nitya Samasa. And here, why so should be placed first? Because Kugati Pradeha in the Sutra, Pradeha, it is in Pratama Vibhakti, Samase Pratama Vibhakti. Pratama Vibhaktehe, Pratama Vibhaktehe, Vibhaktinam Shabdanam, Upasajana Sanya Bhavati, therefore Upasajanam Purvam, all these things are understood, not written. So all these things are understood. Shobanaha iti Pradi Gana Shabda Purushaha. So which one will be placed first? Kugati Pradeha by the Sutra we combine. Therefore, Pradi will be enjoying Upasajana Sanya and it is placed first. Upasajanam Purvam. So iti Purvapadam Purushaha Uttarapadam. And Supadatu Pratipadikyo. Look, Bhavati, then we get the compound Supurusha. Then Suputpatihi, Supratim Yojagitva, Supurushaha. We can decline like Ravashabda. Supurushaha. So this is Pradi. So already I've defined what is Pradeyaha. So this same thing. I'll write the Pradeyaha are the words Pradeyaha are the words in the Pradigana, which enjoy Nipata Sanya by the Sutram. By the Sutram, Swaradi Nipatam Avyayam. Swaradi Nipatam. They enjoy Nipata Sanya by the Sutra, Pragrishwara Nipata. Not Swaradi Nipatam, that is later. They enjoy Sanya by the Sutra, Pragrishwara Nipataha. Pragrishwara Nipataha. This is number 1. Sutra is 1456. Then the Nipataha, then by the Sutram, Swaradi Nipatam Avyayam. Swaradi Nipatam Avyayam. This Sutra is 1130, 35 or 36, 37, 1137. Then by Sutra 1137, they enjoy Avyaya Sanya. And because they are Avyayam, so by the Sutra, Avyayat Apsupaha, look. By the Sutra, Avyayat Apsupaha, look. That is the section 2482. Avyayat Apsupaha, 2482. Supratyanam look bhavati. By the Bhavyam, by the Sutra, Pratyas become look. What Pratyas? Supratyas, which are added to make it a Padam becomes look. leaving the Padasanya. They enjoy Padasanya. Therefore, they all are Padam. The Pradeyaha. So now the example is Shobanaha Purushaha. Supurushaha. Similarly, other examples. We'll see a lot of examples. The steps we know. Therefore, I'm not going to repeat the steps. Directly, I'm going to write the Vigraha Vakya, the compound. Shobanaha Raja. Shobanaha Raja will become. Can tell.
Suraja.
Suraja. Oh, here. Shobanaha Raja. Okay, this is not Samasa. What Sandhi here it is? I'm asking Sandhi, okay. Samasa, you don't know, therefore you can be in mute. But what about Sandhi? Sandhi, you can answer. What is Shobanaha Raja? Please do the Sandhi. Sandhi, you know, right? Very well.
Shobana.
Yeah, tell me.
Repa follows Shobanaka. So Shobanar Raja.
Then
Repa followed by Repa.
Repa followed by Repa, what will happen? Shobanas, Sakara, Prati Sakara, that becomes Nu, and Ru is nothing but Repa. This is what you said, right? Okay.
Yeah.
Shobana Roja. Now after that, what will happen?
One Repa will run Shloka.
Yeah, I will go because of the draft test.
Then
So Shobana Raja.
one Repa will go. That's it, huh?
That will happen.
Huh?
That will follow.
What will happen? When just Repa will go, that's it. You're saying Rory, right? Repa will go means Rory.
Rory, yeah.
But after the loop of Repa, what will happen? That's the immediate thing. When Repa followed by Repa, Repa goes away. When Dakara followed by Dakara, Lopa, then what will happen?
Dirghatvama.
Yes, Upadaya Dirgatvam, right?
Upadana Dirghatvam.
Pralope Purvasi
It will become
Dirghanaha.
Yeah.
This Repa will go away. Therefore, Shobana, right? Is it correct? It's wrong actually. Cannot apply this. This is Repa. What Repa? Ru Repa. This will be replaced by U. Preceded by A, followed by hush letter. Replace it by U. Therefore, Shobana Raja only. Now the question should come. Why don't we apply Rory? Why don't we apply Rory? Because changes happening to the Ru is given in 6.1 section. 6.1, 114, 113, 114. Right? Rory means Rory is applied. Okay, all these are again basic. You have to go to the basics of Sandhi. Rory is applied when Sandhi chart is there. Final one. I have written very clearly that distinguishing these two. If it is good, if you can recall, otherwise I will show you Sandhi. Okay, this is a common mistake we do. That's why I'm saying this. Repa followed by Repa will become Lopa. That generally we apply. You will have wrong form. In fact, that also I have written in this one. The wrong Udaharanam I have written to make see the mistake. Okay, you can see here. That's why I have this Sandhi, because this I know that people will do mistake here. Where is that? Rory is 8, 3, 14. So 8, 3, 14 means before. Yeah, here it is C. And yeah. I've written this very clear, the two divisions, you can see, for the sake of our understanding, I've written here. Or I can see the example and then read this. Agnis plus rochate. Sakara becoming room, right? Padanta sakara. So room. So repa followed by repa. Therefore, this repa will become lopa and preceding and will become dirgha. Because here room is preceded by e followed by ash letter. So here Uttara Desha cannot happen, right? Uttara Desha can happen. No. Therefore, Agni Rochate. This is Ru Repa. Now you take Avya Repa. Punar plus Rochate. Repa preceded by A followed by this. Can we do here Uttara? No. Because it is not Ru Repa. It is just a Repa. Swabhavika Repa. Therefore, Repa followed by Repa. Therefore, this Repa will go and preceding and will become Dirgha. So preceding and becoming Dirgha you can see in Avyaya. Now counter example you see. Not counter example. Counter example and the wrong example also. Okay, counter example, not wrong example. Vitareka Udahanam, counter example. Pullingaha plus Ramaha, like what we have now. Shobanaha Raja. Pullingaha Ramaha. Room. Padanta Sakara for room. Preceded by A, followed by Repa. Ro is nothing but Repa. Can you do Purva Dirgaha? No. Because Purva Dirgha will happen for Avyaya because that is only Repa, not Ru Repa. Whereas here, Ru preceded by A, followed by Hash letter, and Ru is born in the Tripadi. So when preceded by Ha, followed by Ash, then you have to apply Ashicha only. You cannot apply Rori. Then when you apply Rori, Rori is applied for Ru Repa when it is preceded by other than Rasvakara. If Rasvakara precedes, then Uttradesha only will come. And the Rori can be applied for Avyaya Repa, where even though if it is preceded by her, you don't have any problem there. Understand? All these things we must be knowing very thoroughly. So Rori cannot be applied. Rori is applicable for, of course, applicable for any Repa, fine. Ru Repa or Avyaya Repa. But when Ru Repa is preceded by A and followed by Hash letter, Repa is that following Repa is Hash letter, comes under Ash Pratyahara only. Then Uttradesha only should be applied. Otherwise, you will have Pullinga Ramaha problem. You will have problem. Akarantaha Pullingaha Ramashabdaha means Akarantaha Pullinga Ramashabdaha, not Pullinga. Akarantaha Pullingo Ramashabda. Or even the shloka, Ramo Rajamani Sada Vijayate. You will have Ramo Rajamani. You will have Rama Rajamani. Understand? You will have problem. For the example, why Ramo Rajamani? Ramaha Rajamani. If you apply Rori, then becomes Rama Rajamani. That is not. Okay. Uttradesha will come. So, that room when preceded by A, followed by Hash, Ashicha will apply, cannot apply Rori. So accepting the case of preceded by A, that only for this Sakarasthanika Repa. Other than that, Rori can be applied. That is why it is applied for Avyaya. So Punaha Ramate, Punah Ramate, that is fine. No problem in that. Understand? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. You have to recall all these things we have seen. Anyway, that's incidental. Sandhi is not our focus, but Sandhi you need to remember. Okay, don't forget Sandhi. All these Sandhi you have to recollect. Okay, now Shobanaha Raja only. Okay. Shobanaha Raja. So what will be the now Samasa would be Shobanaha Raja will become
Shobana Uttara
Sura. See, okay. This is interesting. I will write the steps like this because Raja is there. Now, what is Raja? Special about Raja? When you compound Raja, And the Uttarapadam is Raja, then what happens? Su plus Rajan plus Su, right? Supadhatu Pratipadikya look, then Su, Rajan you get. Then after that, what will happen? Nalopa Pradipadikantasya.
Nalopa Pradipadikantas.
Then Su Raja you will have. Right? Su Raja. Then after that, Su Raja only. Suppose if you do remove this, then you will have Suraja. Then Suraja only you will get, not Suraja. Is it okay?
Before Nopadaya.
Hmm?
Rajan, then Nakaraya.
So, what I'm saying here is, you remember the Samasanta Pratyaya for Rajan Shabda we have seen. When Rajan Shabda is Uttarapada, we have the Sutra, Raja, Ahan, Sakibhyaha, what Pratyaya? Touch Pratyaya, Tat Purushasya, Uttarapadena Rupena, Rajan Ahan Uta iti Saki Shabda Kashya Sabhavyati, Tatmad Touch Pratyaya, Samanyataha, Samasantaha Pratyaya Vidiyate, right? Understand? So touch pratyaya will come. Example, okay. But here it will not come. That's what we are going to see. Mahancha so Raja. What samasa? Mahancha so Raja is? You see, Mahan.
Karmadharaya.
Tan san Mahat Paramottamat Krishta Pujyamanehi. That's very important. Pujyamanehi. Pujyamanehi. San Mahat. Mahat is a Mahan. Parama, Uttama, Utkrishtaha. They are Pujyamanehi. So, it is Tatpurusha. Mahancha Karmadhare Samasa. 2161 Visheshana Visheshana Bagulam, therefore Karmadareha. You know, Tatpurusha Samanadikarana Karmadareha. Visheshana Vishesha means Samanadikarana, therefore Karmadare Samasa 2161. So Mahat plus Rajan. By this sutra, Uttarapada is Rajan, then touch pratyaya will come, right? Touch pratyaya. So Mahat plus Rajan. Mahat plus Rajan plus Nalopa Pradipadikantasya, it too. Don't go there now. But touch Samasanta Pratyaya, that you have to apply it, right? So Samasanta Pratyaya, you need to apply. So touch Pratyaya, when you apply, touch is Samasanta Pratyaya and Tadita Pratyaya. Samasanta comes under Tadita. Therefore, Nas Tadita by that sutra, what will happen? Tilopa happens, right? So An goes away. Therefore, you get Maharaja. Maharaja is the Akaranta Shabda. Therefore, Maharaja. Understand? This you remember?
Yeah. Krishti.
Similarly, okay, Uttama Agan we don't require. Raja only we need. This is 5491. But we have a sutra. Na Pujanat. Na Pujanat means Pujana Vachakebhyaha Shabdebhyaha Samasanta Pratyaya na Vidiyante. Pujana Vachakebhyaha. When something is respected, adorable, worshipped, Adara Rupena Vidanam Kriyate Tebhyaha Shabdebhyaha Samasanta Pratyaya na Bhavati. Yatha Shobhana Raja, here itself it is there, you can see. Shobhana Raja Ityatra Kugati Pradaya Sutrena. Su plus Rajan we get. Nalopa Pradipadikantasya should not apply. Comes later. But we have to see whether Samasanta Pratyaya apply. First we have to see that. Iti, so Astutaha, what happens? Rajahas Sakibhyash touch Sutrena, Samasanta Pratyaya touch Pavitum Margati. But doesn't come. Why? Parantu na Pujanat iti Vartamana Sutrena, in the sense of Pujana, Adarartha, this is negated. Vartamana Sutra Nishidyate, therefore, Shobhana Raja iti Prayoga Adarvachakaha, Pujanavachaka Astyataha, Surajan iti eva Pratipadikam Siddhyati. Understand? So, 5491. Rajahas Rajaha Sakibhyashtach Sutra is negated by Napujanat. 5491 is negated by 5469. Therefore, touch pratyaya will not come. Therefore, Surajan only. Surajan only. Therefore, you can decline Nakaranta Shabda. Understand? So, I will write here. You need to note. Surajan. So, here what happens? Surajan. Touch pratyaya. Touch pratyaya ordained by the Sutra 5491. Just copy that. 5491 is negated by Napujanat. Sutra 5469. By the Sutram Napujanat. Touch pratyaya ordained by the Sutram is negated by the Sutra. By the Sutram 5491 is negated by the Sutram 5469, Napujanat. So therefore, there is no touch pratyaya. Therefore, Rajan plus Rajan only. So Rajan. Then Supratyaya. Then we know Sura, Pratama Bhakti Ekavachana, Rajan Shabdavati. So Suraja iti bhavati. Maybe I can copy that from there. On the website. Napujanat. So that is explained. Shobhanaha Raja iti yatra. Tugati Pradeyaha. Tugati Pradeyaha means it is, here it is Praditat Purusha. 2 to 18. Iti anena Tatpurushe krute su plus Raja iti sthite vastutaha. What happens vastutaha? Raja has Sakibhyash touch 5491. By this sutra, touch pratyaya which is ordained, Bhavitumargati Parantu Vartamana Sutra Nishidyate. Parantu Sutra, what Parantu? Na Pujana, it is Sutra. Na Pujanat, 5469. Sutra Saka Nishidyate. Yataha Ata Shobhanaja iti prayogaha. Why? Because it is Adaravachaka Shabda. Pujanavachaka Shabda. Therefore, this Nishidyate. Ataha Surajan iti Pratipadikam Siddhyati. Please note, therefore Suraja only. Okay. So you can know. So generally we add touch pratyaya when the Rajan is the Uttarapada. Should not do here. Because it is used in Adarartha. So na pujanat. That sutra in the beginning itself it is given. Na pujanat. Therefore you cannot ordain touch pratyaya. Understand? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here it is negated na pujanat. Shobhana Raja iti prayogaha. The word here it is Shobhana Raja is puja. It is Adaravachaka. It is na pujanat iti sutra nishidyata means it is Adaravachaka here. Suraja is good Raja. Then you may ask Sanmahat Paramo Tamokrishta Pujyamanahi. There, how do you can apply? There also Pujyamanahi is there. No, that is different. We see. If you remember, you will ask it out. Otherwise, no problem. See. Mahanjara Asuraja, here, Sanmahat Paramo Tamokrishta Pujyamanahi. There we have to take Pujyamanahi. Sat, Mahat, Parama, Uttama, Utkrishtaha. All these are Pujyamana Shabda. If you see, Sanmahat Tamotaram Utkrishta iti etaihi Pujyamanehi Saha Tatpurushaha Bhavati. So, what is Uttarapada? Uttarapada is Sat, Mahat, Parama, Uttama, Utkrishta iti ete Pujyamanehi Saha. All these are what meaning? Sat is great, Mahat, great, Parama, Uttama. All these are the words. Good, great, highest, Uttama, excellent. These are the words. So these combined with the person, because all these are, describe the quality of the person. It's great, the greatness of that person or a thing. So therefore, it combines with the word deserving the respect. So these words are the Uttarapada, then it's okay. Pujyamanehi Saha. But Suraja, where is Su here? Therefore, it is not applied. Only when these words are there. So we can understand only when these words are there, then it is fine. So here also we can say Sat plus Raja. Satpurusha, Hita Satpurusha, Mahapurusha, Paramapurusha, Uttamapurusha. So, Purusha. So, the Uttarapada, these words are used. Sat, Mahat, Parama, Uttama, Utkrishta. But other than that words, Na Pujanat, Pujyamanehi. So, Na Pujanat, when we say, Na Pujanat. Na Pujanat, it says Pujana Vachakebhyaha Shabdebhyaha. Samasanta Pratyaha na Diyante. So, there, here, Shobanaha Raja iti Prayogaha, Shobana Raja iti, it is Adaravachaka Shabda. So, therefore, it will not combine. Therefore, it will not take touch pratyaya. The Adaravachaka Shabda, Pujanavachaka Shabda. There it is Pujyamanaihi means it combines with the Subanta Pada, which that Padam denoting that which deserves the respect. So there's a difference between these two. Shobana Raja is Pujya, it is Adaravachaka Shabda. With the Adaravachaka Shabda, then it will not combine. I'm sorry, Samasanta Pratyaya cannot take. Whereas Sannakat Paramotamot Krishtaha, we are in Pratama Bhakti Upasarjanam. These words combined with the words which whose meaning, that deserving respect. Then form compound, Karmadharya, Maharaja, etc. So there's a difference between these two words. Whereas Uttara Padam is Pujyamanai, Purva Padam is Sanmagat, those words are given. Here the Purva Padam is Su. And Uttara Padam is Raja. Combining that, we get Adaravachaka Shabda, Pujanavachaka Shabda, Suraja iti. If it is going to be Suraja, Adaravachaka Shabda, then Tashpartya cannot be added. Okay. Na Pujanat, the Sutra negates the Samasanta Pratyaya for Adaravachaka Shabda. Yan Shabdan Upadaya Samasaha Vidiyante by this Sutra Ityavadin Yadate Pujanat Pujanavachanat Pare Bhavanti Tada Samasantaha na Bhavati Pujanat Pujavachanat Pare Pujanavachanat Pare Su means Sushtu Chobana Adara. So iti evamadi nidate, these words, they referring to Rajan, Ahan, Saki. Pujanat, Pujan, Vachanat, Pare. Then Samasantaha na bhavati. Su is Shobanaha, it is Pujana, Adaravachaka Shabda. The combined word also is going to be Adaravachaka. Anyway, that is what the interpretation given. But Su is Adaravachaka. Adaravachaka Pujanat Pare. Rajan Shabda or Agan or Saki Shabda will not take touch pratyaya. So Pujanat, Pujana Vachakat, this is better. Pujana Vachakat Pare. Kashika says very clearly. Pujana Vachakat Pare. There it is, the very specific words are given. San Magat Parama Uttama Utkrishtaha iti ete Shabdaha Pujyamanaihi Sabantaihi Sakasamasatya Samasakadoti Karmajareha. But here it is, the word Purva Padam is Pujanavachaka Shabda, and Uttara Padam happens Virajan, Agan Saki, then Samasanta Pratyaya, Tash Pratyaya will not come. Pujayam Swati Grahanam Kartabhya Mahabhut. Okay, understand? So that's the difference between these two. So Shobhana Raja is ultimate, finally it is Adaravachaka Shabda. Because of Su, the Raja who is good, Adaravachaka. Because of the Purva Pada, that meaning Raja being the king, what type of Raja? Su Raja, Sushtu Raja, Shobhana Raja, therefore Adaravachaka Shabda. Because of the Su. Therefore, Su iti Pujanavachakat Tarasya, Rajan Shabdasya, Touch Pratyaka Nabhavati. That is what is negated here. So that's the difference between Sanmagat Paramotamot Krishtaf Pujyamanagi and this. That it is very clearly given. Pujyamanagi Subantagi Savasamasyate. Samasa happens and the words are listed, Sanmagat, etc. Here it is not listed. If it is Adaravachaka Shabda, then Rajan Shabda follows. That will not take touch pratyaya. Okay. That's what it means. So therefore, no touch pratyaya. If you remember touch pratyaya, doubt should come. Sorry, if you remember Rajan Shabda, the touch pratyaya should be added. That why it is not added, the doubt should come. Okay. Rajan, Agan, Saki, iti. Okay, Samasanta section, some sutras we have seen. Touch pratyaya, then etc. Maybe we can see once later after completing all the Samasanta separately, the list of pratyas added to the compounds and specific and for under specific conditions, circumstances or reason, we will see that later. Now the next example will do. The Shobhana Raja we have done. Next one is Dushtaha, suppose. Dushtaha. Dushtaha Janaha. What will be the compound? So Dushtarte, what Pradeyaha, what Pradi is that? Pradi Shabda. Dushtarte, under Pradi, we see the Pradigana. In that meaning, Dushtaha. So let us see the Ganapata, Pradeyaha. Pradeyaha, we have only few words. Pra, para, apa, sam, anu, ava, nis, dus, dur is that. So therefore, dur or dus, you can take dur or dus. So what will happen? You can take Dushtaha Janaha, dus or dur, whatever it is, you can take. It is, suppose if you take dur is a Pradi, dur, it's an Abhiya. Then combined with Jana plus Su. So Jana plus Su, Pratama Bhakti Ekavachanam, dur plus Su, and it is Abhiya, therefore dur only. Dur plus Janas, then it's the Pratipadikas, the Sup look happens, therefore dur, then Jana. Therefore you get Durjana. So Durjana plus Su, Durjanaha, Durjanaha can decline. So Dushtaha Janaha is Durjanaha. What Samasa? Pradi, Tat Purusha, Samasa. Durjanaha becomes Dushtajan. Dushtajanaha becomes Durjanaha. Durjanaha is what? Durjanaha is Dushtaha Janaha. Similarly, Duracharaha, Purushaha. Purusha, whose Achara is dur achara, durachara. Here also we can use the same dur, the sense of dur. In the sense of durachara, same dur you can use. Durachara purushaha. Achara is dur. Therefore, dur plus purushaha. Purusha. Dur means it is dushta, durachara, that is what dur is. Whether yeah, dushtaha purushaha, you can write a durachara purusha. Both are same only. Duracharaha janaha, durachararte dur shabdaha. Dur means what? Durachara. So duracharaha purushaha. Then what will happen? This duracharaha, dur plus purusha plus duracharaha purushaha. Then after that, here it is. Why I said purusha, there's a reason. What is the difference? Big difference between the two. Repa and is like this is a padam. Then what will happen? Padam, therefore, you not apply repa followed by kar letter. Then you will have visarga, then purusha. You remember what will happen here? It's a simple the sandhi which we saw in the recently also. Dur. What do you remember dur when you see the dur, the word? The examples we have seen recently, we have seen that rule. Anybody remembering? Repa followed by kak, pa. What will happen? First is followed by kar. It is visarga, right? Karavasana yoga visarjaniyaha.
Yeah.
3, 15 first we do, right? Visarga comes. Then visarga will become sakara if it is visarjaniyasya saka iti 34. But among that kar letter also, if kak, pa comes, then if it is, then visarga can be replaced by other visarga optionally, that is upadmaniya, jitomulya. Here upadmaniya. And we have another rule where what? Dur is the rep that visarga is there. Visarga is there in the word which is not a pratyaya, and ikara it's upada, ikara, akara, ikara, ukara, upada, yaha, and apratyasya, kupvoho, parayoho, kimbavati.
Shakara.
Murdhanya
Shakara.
shakaraha.
Shakara, yeah.
Yes. You see that Sutra 8.3.37. After that, the Sutra comes. It upada, ut upadayaha, anantra visargasya, visarga followed by ku, whether it's kakha or pa, kar letter of ku or pavarga, then we saw what will happen. Inaha shaha, shakara will be the adesha. We see the Sutram 8.3.39 or 40. 30, 41. Idu padasya cha apratyasya. Kupvoho coming as anuvritti. Shaha also coming as anuvritti. So visarjaniyaha, sarjaniya has come because of the kar letter, because followed by ka or kha, pa or pha. Visarga will be optionally, but optionally, the other visarga. If other visarga are not there, then visarga alone will be there. That visarga will be replaced by mudana shakara. That is what Sutra says. We see. Ikara padasya, ukara padasya, apratyasmin pratyaya avaya bhinnasya. Recently we saw this sutram. Though we have not written this, but you can note this also. The Pashatvam. Visargasya sthane, kakare, kakare, pakare, pakare, pare, shakara, adesha bhavati. Okay. Like ata. Avishkritya, that we saw. Avishkritya, pradus, etc. Same thing here. So here, dur is ut upada. aveva binnasya. So therefore, visargasya sthane kim bhavati. Therefore, we can say dush. Shakaradesha. Therefore, dush purushaha. Not dur purushaha. Okay. Visargasya sthane Shakaradesha by this sutra 8341. You can note. Duracharaha purushaha becomes dushpurushaha. Compound is simple pradi. Only these rules you need to remember. Dushpurushaha. Then another example. Ishad. Ishad, okay, Ushnam. Ishad, Achanam Ushnam. Ishad Ushnam. This will become Ishad Ushnam. Ishad Ushnam will be Ishadarte. So what will happen? Ishadarte. Ishadarte, you can you need to know something here. Ishadarte, I'll show you the Sutra Panta. You know, there is a Sutra, Nipata Ekachana. We have to know that, then only we'll understand this. Ang iti varjayitva Anye Vyanjana Viragitaha Ekachaha. This is also one of the Nipata. Swaradi Nipatam, I mean, Nipata, Swaradi Nipatam Abhiyam. So this also. Ang iti varjayitva Anye Vyanjana Viragitaha Ekachaha Nipataha Pragrigya Sanyaha. Pragrigya is, you know, Idude Dvivachanam Pragrigya. So like the example you can see here, Ekach, Anang. Anang iti kascha nipataha asti. Okay. Ang asmin nipate vidyamanasya sanya tatasharopaha iti avashishyate. So, Ishadarte kriya yogi. This is what Ishadarte. Ishadarte kriya yogi. Maryadha vividho chayaha. Etam matam gitam vidyat. Vakyasmaranayoho anit. Asyam karikayam. This is what he. Ang ityasya chatvarah pratak arthaha uktaha santi. 4 meanings are given for the ang. A ityasya dvau artho uktaha sta. So ang has got there is 2 things are that ang is one and a is another. So ang it has got 4 meanings. We will see this in detail later. Today not time out, maybe next class we will do it. So the point is Ishadarte ang bhavati. Okay, that's what is given here. This karika Ishadarte kriya yoge maryada abhivido chayaha etam atam gitam vidyat. Vakya smarana yogo agit. Vakya and smarana yogo a iti bhavati, and other 4 meanings are like this meaning only we need Ishadarte in the sense of little. Ishadarte ang pratyabhavati. Therefore a. So a plus u. A plus u is the Oshnam. So Oshnam is the compound. A little, it is a little hot. It is. Kriya yogi. Okay, other meanings also we can see. Kriya yoga. Kriya yoga, you know that ang is pradayaha, we get upasarga sanya. Therefore, ang plus agachat. We know ang plus agachat. Agachat. Returns, come back. Maryada. Maryada abhividhi, we know. Maryada is excluding, abhividhi is inclusive. Sa sima yasyaha samaveshaha videsha na bhavati. That boundary is not included, then it's Maryada. If it is included, then it is abhividhi. Ang ambudege. Ambudhi, samudra. Samudra paryantam. Parantu samudra mighaya. That is the meaning. So ang ambudege means here the ang in the sense. Ang also already we have seen. Where we saw? Do you remember ang? In Samasa. Anybody? Remember Samasa? Ang Maryada Vividyoho. Every class we chant, huh? Remember? Now do you remember? Ang Maryada Vividyoho. Right? Ang this is used in sense of Maryada and Abhividi. There we saw the example. Abrahma Bhavana Loka Punaravartino Arjuna. So Maryada Abhividi, that meaning Ang also used. In addition to that, Ishadarte Kriya Yogi also, the Ang is used. Ang the Pradeka Nipata. So Ang Ambudeke means Samudra Paryanta. It means Samudra is not included. Tasya Rajyam Ambudeke Asit. It means excluding the Samudra. Up to the shore. Abhividi is Ita Ang Indra. Indra is included. So Brahma Bhavana Loka Punaravati Dunanga Shloka. Up to Brahma Loka. One has to come back. Reaching up to the Brahma Loka. One has to come back. Ang is Abhividi. So Maryada, Abhividi, and Kriya Yoge. Kriya Yoga means Upasarga. Upasarga, the meaning of Upasarga. And the meaning of Upasarga, when it is used, it gives opposite meaning. Gachati Agachati. And Ishadarte. That is the meaning. That is what we require. Okay. This is another sutra. It's given. Ekach Anan. That we will see. The sutra later. The sutra may be useful because Nipata, the word is used, and Ang also. So about Ang we have to know. Therefore, we can see this later. And Karika alone is enough. Ishadarte Kriya Yoge Madhyadha Vivido. So Yaha Etam Atam. That Git is and Git is Italatam. So whatever the meanings are given in this, Ang Nipata is Priptaha. So Nipata Ekach Anang Ityatra Anang Ityukte Nipata Ekach Anang. Anang is Na Ang Anang. Anang Nipataha Pragaryam. Ang iti Varjagitva Vyanjana Virahitaha Ekachaha Nipataha. Okay, that sutra, the sutra we will see later. Now Ishadarte, what will happen? Ang Bhavati. So Ang Akara is Ita letter, therefore Ushnam. So Pradi Tatpurusha is only such things you need to remember. So Ang plus Ushnam. Ushnam is Ushna plus Su. So Ang iti Radeha Nipatam Abhiyam Samartena Suvantena Samasyate Samasaha Bhavati. So Tupluk Kurtva, therefore you have A plus Ushna, therefore Gunasandhi Oshna. Oshna is not Tadita. Tadita will be Aushnyam, not Oshna. Oshna is a compound. Oshna plus Su. So Ushna is Napumsakalinga, therefore you can take Napumsakalinga, then some more Napumsakat, not look Ato Am will happen. So Su will be replaced by Am. Then Nami Purvaha, therefore you will have Oshnam iti Upam. Su plus Oshna plus Su, Oshnam. Okay. Understand? Similarly, the same Ang in other, we saw the Maryada Vividhi, right? So same we can say. Samanta, Samantat. Samantat Baddham, bone. So Samantat is we can use Ang. So A and Baddha becomes Baddaha. Baddaha, Baddham. This compound, Baddhaha, Samantat, Samantat, up to that. That could be Abhividhi or Maryada, whatever it may be. Samantat, you can take in as anything. So it will be Baddham. Okay. The next one. Ninditam. Ninditam. Kritam. That which is done, which is Nindita. Dushkritam. Dushkritam. It is Dushkritam. Ninditam Kritam. Duracharam Kritam. Nindita. So similarly, Ninditam. Dinam, suppose we say. Good day, bad day. Sudinam, Shobhanam Dinam. Durdinam, Ninditam Dinam, Durdinam. Here Repa will be there because not followed by Kakara or Pakara, Kakhapapa, right? Therefore Repa will be there. Okay. You can take this or Dur, anything, and you get the same thing, Durdinam. Then Sushtu Uktihi, we know Sushtu Uktam, Suktam, Sushtu Uktihi, Suktihi, good saying, Uktihi. Uktihi is tin pratyaya. Pratyanta and Uktihi, Ukti Uktayaha. So you get Suktihi. Sushtu Uktam, Suktam. Subhashitam also, the same thing. Sushtu Bhashitam is Sushtu Bhashitam. Su Bhashitam, that which is said well. Subhashitam. Shobhanam Bhashitam. I think you can say Sushtu Shobhana Uktihi, Ukti, Suktihi. All these are Aswapada Vigraha. Subhashitam is Sushtu Bhashitam. Therefore, Nitya Samasa. All these are Nitya Samasa. So, Pradeyaha. Now let us see the Sutra. Kugati Pradeyaha. Going back to the Sutra now. We have seen all the Pradeyaha, but not all, because there are Vartikas. So many Vartikas are there, we have to see. Pradeya, Gatadhyarte, Pratamaya. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 5 are there. The 5 Vartikas are important. In fact, that is the major Pradi section. Okay, now you can see the Pradeya example which are given in the Kashika. Who already we have seen, Gati we have seen. Pradi alone. Dur Nindayam. Dur is the sense of Nindayam of Dushpurushaha. Swati Pujayam Supurushaha Ati Purusha iti. Ang iti Ishadarte A Pingalaha. That's what I said. A Pingalaha. Praikam Chayetat Upadi Vachanam. Anyatrapi Samasaga Drishyate Ka Ushnam. Ka Ushnam, Kadushnam, Kabushnam already we have seen. Dushkritam. Ninitam Kurtam. Sushtutam. Atistutam. Abaddam. Asamanta. Samantat Baddam. This is the example I gave. All examples are stock examples only. Now this Vartika we have to see. The 5 Vartikas. Okay, understand? Need out? Yes? No?
Now we have to see, Ji.
Because from the silence I know. Yes. Okay, so let's stop here. Please go through this. You understand? It's not that much difficult. What difficulty is there? Some Sandhi. Sandhi, forget. Sandhi, you know it, recall. But what does Pradeha says? The words in the Pradigana combine Suvantapada and form compound. So the 20 words are there, whatever it is. So they combine Suvantapadam and form compound. Okay, please go through this. Next class we will see the Vartika. With that, this Kugati Pradeha will be over. Then we can see Upapada Samasa. Or Bhagavati, whatever it is. Okay. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamadachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Shri Guru Bhyo Namaha. Hari Om. Dhanyavadaha.
धन्यवाद श्री
धन्यवाद शरद जी.
धन्यवाद.
धन्यवाद. धन्यवाद.